सो वेलकम बैक एवरीवन टू द स्ट्रेंड डॉक्टर चैनल एंड आज मैं आपके लिए एक और व्लॉग लेकर आया हूँ। आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं कसेला ज़ू और नेचर रिजर्व भी है। वो इज़ वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट एंड द मोस्ट पॉपुलर अट्रैक्शंस इन मॉरिशस and there are lots of new stuff which has been added right now. I had gone there about 2 years ago and I'm going today again. So let's see how it is, and I have done with the prep over here. As food is a bit expensive there, so I have prepared my own box. Also I'm currently training, so I have planned my own macros. So I have prepared 3 tortillas which I'll be carrying with me. Here's Abhinav getting all ready.
अच्छा वो बनने वाला है क्या?
Vlog. And we are on our way to Casella.
तुम तो धोखेबाज हो, वफा करके भूल जाते हो। रोज रोज तुम जो सनम ऐसा करोगे हम जरूर उठ जाएंगे।
And we have with us the one and only Sigma male.
ये बनेंगे सिग्मा। आदमी का बच्चा
ऑफर किए इसको कि सर पी लो सर, ठीक है। इसने एक घूंट में आधी विस्की खत्म कर दी।
पता है एक शॉट कितने का था विस्की का? इतना मतलब 30 ml था।
क्लास 60
तेरा बाप पिया था कभी?
उधर गाड़ी से उतर।
बाय
एक संग गाड़ी से उतर।
ना मैं उतरने वाला।
इतनी तेज
150 क्विंटल में 2 किलो कम है। एटीट्यूड देख लो। हाँ नहीं तो फैशन टीवी के मॉडल बन के आए हैं। स्वेटर क्या पहना भैया?
मर्जी पे
बनाने का आए थे तुम, कहाँ ब्लॉग में आ गए?
मेरे अच्छे कर्म हूँ।
डायपर सुखा के पहनना है माइक्रोवेव में। जितना भी डंप दिखने वाला सारा उड़ा दो मिस्टर। मोतीचूर के लड्डू के शकल का जितना भी दाने वाले तब तेरे साथ।
And हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं Casella. We have finally reached.
पोटेंशियल डाइट है।
As you can see here in the background, this is the entrance,
ये तो
the parking lot.
ये एकदम गलत बताया गया व्लॉग में। रास्ता छोटा किया जा रहा है अभी इसके चलते।
जैसा कि आपने सुना अभी
ये डाल
एम्बिएंट म्यूजिक बज रहा है पूरा फील देने के लिए। लाइन इतना लंबा है कि पता नहीं आज पहुंचेंगे भी नहीं अंदर।
सब हौसला है। 100 रुपया कम हुआ है टिकट पे। पूरा दुनिया एनिमल लवर हो चुका है। ये देखो खुद आधी बंदर लगती है घूमने आई है।
नो कमेंट्स।
Hello guys, we are spamming Strength Doctor channel. Actually we just wanted to show you that there is a very nice and accurate statue, more better than Madame Tussauds Museum. You can see this one hippo here and then rhino there, and you can see the another one there. They must be looking very similar, you can see.
And we are here at the entrance. अब हम लोग टिकट लेंगे। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे लाइन है। यहाँ पे बैग्स चेक हो रहे हैं एंड टेम्परेचर चेक होगा ड्यू टू कोविड-19 प्रोटोकॉल्स एज यूजुअल। And we have got the tickets and we are going in. That's right.
कोविड है, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग 2 मिनट वेट कर लो। This is One Piece Raft Tail, the last island. There lies the One Piece. क्या है?
History. This was the map of Mauritius. The entire island has been depicted on this beautiful table. You can see the different areas here. And now we have the actual map of Casella is over here. ये है असली map.
ये है मैप.
And we have all kinds of maps but nowhere to go. These are the different. Oh, again the food restaurant. Tulwaka, Safari, Wham Wham, Bluebird.
ये देखो फीमेल हिप्पोपोटामस यहाँ पे है. इधर ये देख सकते हैं आप फीमेल हिप्पोपोटामस सारी. चलो.
And welcome to Casella once again.
Bird hunting.
So now we are going into the Casella Bird Park. And we are in the Casela's Aviary. It's a walk-through entry. Pretty cool design. They made a nice ecosystem here with fishes, different kinds of parakeets, parrots. Maybe this is a goose. I'm not a bird expert, but I'm just guessing. That's a beautiful parrot. And here we have the expert.
क्यों?
मेरे को इसमें बैक्टीरिया दिख रहा है. तो खाना मत खा जाना उसका. ओ वाह, नीचे देखो आ गया. शांत नीचे आ गया. नीचे
Carolina ducks.
बहुत खाते हो ना तुमको. ए पिंक कलर का.
हाँ पिंक. अरे फ्लामिंगो वो अलग. डोंट पीटो द फ्लामिंगो.
फ्लामिंगो नहीं है
वो रहा फ्लामिंगो. वो रहा अंदर. अंदर.
This is mostly the duck and the swan enclosure. These are the southern ground hornbills. And in some African cultures, this animal is associated to or brings death, misfortune, or hosts angry spirits.
Birds है कि देखेंगे.
Albino hathi, oh my god, what is this? Imposter.
He is the imposter among us.
ऋषभ आराम से, caution.
अगर उतरते उतरते धक्का लग गया तो गिरेगी नीचे लेकिन पहुंचेगी सीधी ऊपर.
Censored content.
And here we have the pygmy hippopotamus.
पानी में घूमते फिरते हैं.
These are the small breed of hippos. Look at it, it's chilling.
इन लोगों को खाने में क्या मिलता
We are inside Pangaea now. This area has the petting area and there is a play area for kids, as you can see here. Here you have the petting area, not the petting area, sorry, the area for play, and this here is the petting area. Here we have the horses, different animals, rabbits. And here we have a few deer, and there we can see some llamas. Never mess with the llama.
Yes.
Here we have this gentleman. He's just enjoying his grass. chilling in the sun, basking here. So this is a pretty nice place for kids to enjoy and for us to pet. This is a
giant tortoise.
look at this tortoise. He's absolutely up and running.
Hey guys, so my friend Nishan just talked about some sponsorship with this old guy. So he's just giving us a bit walkthrough around his home. Okay.
This gentleman, this old man here is walking with us and trying to sort of interact, or is he annoyed? I don't know.
Annoyed. He's annoyed.
But for now, wherever I'm giving grass, he's following me. But now I'm leaving him be. So let's meet you at the next enclosure or the next spot we go. See you there. Now we are here at the Tulwaka ride. It's a roller coaster, a self-handling roller coaster ride. So here we are supposed to get a ticket, I think, and then work the roller coaster by ourselves. There's a lever mechanism. I had done it 2 years before. It's pretty fun, but let's see how much is the cost. Depending on that, we'll be going. This is the Tulwaka roller coaster rides beginning. Here we have the ride assessment. just now the Tulwaka roller coaster was done by Abhinav, Prajwal and Nishna, and we got a really nice video. And now we are here at the lion enclosure and the big cats. Look at this majestic beast.
That is the one.
Fun fact about these lions is that some of them had been hired to act in the Total Dhamal movie, which was shot around 2 years ago. So these were the lions who had participated in that movie as well. Here we have the white lion. This one, look at that white lion is in a playful mood. They weigh at about 180 to 200 kilos for females and about more than 300 kilos in males. They're much larger than they are expected. Their jaw force and their strength is huge. In a pack they can even bring down lions. And हम लोग सफारी शुरू कर चुके हैं. अभी शॉर्टली हम लोग एंटर करेंगे मेन जंगल में. ये काफ़ी बारिश हो रही थी तो आप देख सकते हैं काफ़ी गीला हो गया है सब. एंड वेजिटेशंस वगैरह भी सब काफ़ी गीला एंड मडी हो गया है. अभी आपको नेक्स्ट स्टॉप पे दिखाएंगे कि किस तरह से यहाँ पर एनिमल्स रहते हैं, किस तरह से सेंचुरी फंक्शन कर रहा है. लेट्स सी. बाहर निकल. And we have arrived at the safari. This is the beginning.
You got me singing way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, oh. You got me singing way oh, oh.
You can see the rhinos. Now this is a big attraction here. These are the rhinos. This is one of the most awaited sites for the tourists here. He is explaining about the weight and the male and female. They weigh around 3 to 4 tons. Pretty heavy and damn strong. They usually live in an ecosystem and coexist together. These birds are also helping them in detecting any predators. In this sanctuary there are no predators for them, but in the wildlife they coexist and the birds usually look out for the hunters. And here we have some zebras and ostriches.
You got me singing. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me
And this is a magnificent sight. The zebra is just besides us. The ostrich as well. What else? Here the handler is feeding him some treats as well as the ostrich. Ostrich is looking confused as always.
नीचे से पकड़ टच
And here we have the elegant giraffe. Only one is visible right now. I think only one is there. And they all are going for a feeding. A truckload of food has come and look at them go. It's going to be a party. So this was it from the Casella vlog, and the safari got over pretty well. We saw a variety of animals and we got to interact with them, and I just touched 1 or 2 ostriches also, and it was fun. So now we are heading back. The last one we are waiting for is the Giraffe Enclosure, but I think it is closed. So meet you in the next vlog and in the next video. Signing off, the Strand Doctor. And we have Nishtha running for feeding the giraffe. We were finally able to get it. So
We are taking a sloth also.
So this was it for the Casella vlog. It was a great trip. We finally got to feed the giraffes, and we are finally back home. So signing off, the Strand Doctor once again.